The half kneeling, single arm lat pull down is an excellent unilateral back exercise that allows you to get a strong contraction in your lats, especially the lower region. To get started, attach one D handle grip attachment to a cable lat pull down machine with the pulley set at a high position. Grip the D handle with one hand, then step back to get into a half kneeling stance, ensuring you are far enough away from the cable machine so the weight maintains tension on your back throughout the entire range of motion. To get in the half kneeling stance, the knee on the same side of the arm holding the weight is positioned on the floor to the back while bending the front knee at a 90-degree angle with your foot pressed into the floor. Contract your core to stabilize your body, then bend your elbow and pull the weight down while keeping your arm tucked and close to your body. Pause to feel a strong contraction in your lats, then under control, slowly reverse the movement by fully extending your arm to feel a good stretch, then repeat. Repeat all the reps on one side, then switch kneeling positions and repeat with the opposite arm. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.